Hi, I'm old Sneelock. Last step. All I have to do is take this thing and glue it together, and I've got the handle done and the vise is finished. Hi, I'm old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. We're at the last step. All I have to do is glue the other end stop on this handle and the vise is done. Take off the tape that I put on there so the boiled linseed oil wouldn't impregnate that end and stop the glue from working. Fill this thing up with some glue. Insert the handle into the stop. Put the clamp on it. Tighten it up. Wipe off the little excess glue there. And now it just has to sit. That's the part I've been waiting for. It's taken a long time to get here, but it's actually the shortest video of the whole series. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments below. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.